Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Beehiiv. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use Beehiiv to build, manage, and grow your newsletter. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you're going to find some great tips here. So before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you can never miss a new video. Let's get started. Beehiiv is a powerful newsletter platform designed to help you create, manage, and grow your email list with ease. It's perfect for individuals or businesses who want to reach their audience through email campaigns. With Beehiiv, you can manage your subscribers, track engagement, and even monetize your newsletter. And the best part? You can start for free. Alright, so to sign up, you just have to head over to Beehiiv's website and click Start Free Trial at the top of the page. You can get started for free by selecting the Get Started with Launch option. Now here, you just have to fill in your name, email, and password, and then click Get Started. After that, check your email inbox to verify your email address. Once verified, you will need to enter your phone number for additional verification. Click Send Code, enter the code you receive, and you're all set. Next, choose your experience level, whether you're a beginner, experienced, or just curious. Select the one that suits you. Now, it's time to set up your newsletter. Enter your newsletter name, choose a subdomain, and if you like, you can add 3 tags. When you're ready, just click Continue. There will be a few more questions, but they're self-explanatory and you can even skip them if you prefer. Once you're done, you will be directed to the Beehiiv dashboard. Now, let's dive into the settings. Click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Then click Publication. Your publication is essentially your newsletter's brand, and it's what your subscribers will see when they receive your emails. So let's quickly create a publication. First, let's add a one-line description. So this is a brief tagline for your newsletter. After that, you can upload your logo and thumbnail. Next, add your sender name and decide if you want to require double opt-in. This means subscribers will have to confirm their subscription through an additional email, ensuring a more engaged audience. To see how your newsletter looks, just go back to the dashboard, click the icon at the top right, and select View Site. And here's a preview of what your site looks like. So let's say you have a website and you want to add a subscribe form. A subscribe form is how visitors sign up for your newsletter. So head over to the Audience tab and select Subscribe Form. Then click Create New Form. And then here you can just add a name, header, description, and success message. Once saved, just click the 3 dots next to your form, then click View. You will see the embed options here. So just choose the one that fits your site. And then let me just add this to a sample WordPress site that I have. So here's just a sample site. So let's say we'll replace this template with our subscribe form by adding custom HTML. Then click Preview to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Now, before we dive any deeper, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. So now, let's create a newsletter. Just click Start Writing. Then add a title and type your content. If you highlight the text, you will see various formatting options like bold, italic, underline, and adding links. Now, if you type a /, you will unlock more options like adding bulleted lists, images, buttons, etc. Once your content is ready, click Next. Here you can adjust the email subject and customize email buttons. You can also set advanced options like post URLs and thumbnails, but for now, we'll leave them as default. In the next step, review your audience and add your recipients. You can either publish the newsletter immediately or schedule it for later. And that's it, your newsletter is ready to go. Now let's talk about automations. Automations help you engage your subscribers by sending a series of emails based on triggers, like when someone signs up. To set this up, click Audience on your dashboard, then Automation, and then click New Automation. Now give your automation a name. So let's just call this Welcome Series for New Subs. Then just save it. Next, add a trigger when a subscriber signs up. And then make sure that it's activated. Then click Confirm and then save. Then just add an action here. Then configure the first action to send a welcome email. So your welcome email should, for example, greet your subscribers, introduce them to your content, and encourage them to follow you on social media. So just click Exit to go back and to add more actions. So here, let's add a time delay of, let's say, 2 days before sending the next email. So time delays give your subscribers space to breathe between emails and keep them engaged without overwhelming them. You can continue adding more emails, activate and save them. Add time delays, building a complete welcome series. And that's a wrap on this Beehiiv tutorial. Today, we've covered everything from signing up, creating your newsletter, setting up a subscribe form, and automating your emails. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, or even leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.